Hello, my nerdologist. You're watching Scientific Medical Nerdologist YouTube channel. And today I am here to discuss about the exams. How was your today's exam? So, many of the students are telling that it is little bit tough and previously asked questions are not came. For that one thing I want to tell is that if you completely watched my video now, if you completely watched my important questions video, then you can easily score 20 plus in single subject anatomy, in single subject of both physiology and anatomy. So as I claimed in important questions video that 90 to 100% questions will come from this video only, as the same thing happened that most of the questions were came from my important questions video only. So for that reason only I told that without skipping watch the video completely. So many of the students are telling that the exam was little bit tough because they did mistake in preparing question paper. As they added anatomy question in physiology paper and physiology question in anatomy, so they messed up there, and after that they have corrected, but they did right. But apart from that, if you studied and followed all of the important questions which I provided in my important question video, then obviously you will get better marks because most of the questions came from my important question video only. So in this video with proof, we will see that how many from my important questions, how many questions have appeared in today's question paper. We will discuss that. We will see one by one that. Okay, and also we will discuss the question paper. So without delay, let's get into the video. So as I told that most of the questions will come from this video only. So let's check how many of the important questions of my video came in today's question paper of anatomy and physiology. Let's check it out. So for that reason, let's go into the screen. So guys, let's check from this video how many questions have appeared in today's question paper of BSc Nursing first sem, that is applied anatomy and physiology. So firstly, let's discuss about the applied physiology. So in applied physiology, how many of questions appeared from this important question video? As you can see here, this video. So from this video, how many questions have appeared? Let's see that. Okay, not PC. We will discuss in mobile only because as I cannot show video and video comments in PC. So in mobile you can see their comments and also the video. So why it's necessary means it's important because in comment section only I have mentioned that which at which time frame of the video, which I mean which question is there, which question of the today's question paper is there. So for that reason I have mentioned that all of those things in comment section, so that we can directly go to that time frame where today's question paper questions were displayed on my important question video. So at this time frame, that is 16 minute 27 seconds, at this time frame our first question in an applied physiology question paper, that is explain the functional areas of the cerebrum, is there. It's already given here, but it is in short essay part. It is not in long essay part. I don't know why they asked or they picked the questions from the short essay part rather than picking questions from long essay part. But even though it is related to nerve system now of Arju's blueprint, so according to blueprint only they figured this question paper. But in my important question video, that question was in short essay part, not in long essay part. But even though so for that reason only I told you that you should listen, or I mean you should watch the video completely so that you don't skip this type of questions. So the students who have skipped this type of questions may have suffered in exams. The students who have clearly saw what I clear the students who have watched my video completely, uh, they may wrote good because most of the questions came from this video only. So as you can see, in short essay part this question was already mentioned, as here you can see. This video was uploaded date, that is 2 weeks ago. So before 2 weeks I have uploaded this video. In that video only I told that these are important questions. This first long essay part question, that is explain the functional area of the cerebrum, was already given in my important question video. So from there only this question was picked, and came in your today's question paper. So as the same, many of the other questions also came from my important question video only. Also you need to notice that the same question, there is not even single word changes in the question. Same question they picked from my important question video, as you can see here. So as you can see here in the first question, that is a long essay, explain the functional areas of the cerebrum. As we can see, the same question it is there in the my important question video. It's like that they just picked the question from my important question video only. So it's same, it's even not a single word is changed from this question and this question, as you can compare here. Not also this question, many all of the questions are mostly 80 to 90%, mostly most of the questions are from my important question video only. So for that reason only I will tell that was my videos, not because of I made, but they are really important. Okay, so now let's move to the next question, that is second question of the question paper. So at the 7 minute 13 seconds time frame of this video, you can see the second question, that is it is about cardiac cycle. So in this question paper they have mentioned that they may explain the metabolism of carbohydrate. So this question belongs to biochemistry, which is in second semester. So by mistakenly I told no this RJHS question paper setter has made many mistakes and messed up. He accidentally added the metabolism of carbohydrate in applied physiology question paper. So for that reason only they have again corrected this question paper in examination time only. They send the mail that there is a mistake in our question paper, and they send the two separate questions with replace of this third question, that is the metabolism of carbohydrate. They have added the cardiac cycle question. So cardiac cycle question was already there in my important question video. So for that reason this question was also came from my important question video only. So the next question is, that is a describe the structure. So I told that the two questions were corrected in this question paper. That is one, the metabolism of carbohydrate is by the uh, corrected by the question, that is cardiac cycle. In third question the structure. uh, so in third question they asked about the structure, which is the part of the applied anatomy subject. In physiology we only discuss about the function. So for that reason this question becomes wrong. And after that they and after that, as I told, they replace this question also. So totally they replace two questions, that is a metabolism carbohydrate, and this question, that is a structure of a lymph node. So by removing structure they added just the function. So this question was not there in my important question, I think, mostly. So this question was there in I think I think it's there or not. Yeah, it's there in as you can see here. And the next question is, that is the types of pain. So as I mentioned here, so at the time frame of 16 minutes 38 seconds, here you can see that's the this question is given, and it is given in short essay only. uh, you can also check this by after visiting to my YouTube channel and playing these videos. Okay, so now let's move to the next question, that is the fifth question, that is the define expiratory capacity. So this question is about the lung volumes. I think I don't give this, I don't added these questions. I added question about the lung volumes, but tidal volume maybe and all of those questions, but I also added, but I don't got this question in this video. Yeah, after getting the question paper I searched here and I don't got. But even though it's okay, because I told that I can predict long essay questions and short essay questions, but not MCQ and short answers, because as I already told that the repetition of important question and the probability of predicting important question decreases as we go down the question paper, that is from long essay part to short answers part. So the long essay part will be, so mostly we can predict better long essay questions as compared to the short essay, as compared to the short answers. So for that reason only this question is not came from my important question video. But this sixth question is, that is Cushing syndrome. I already listed this I was already listed this question in my important question video, as you can see here. This question is at the time frame of 19 minutes 46 seconds. At this time frame, you can see this question, Cushing syndrome, which I was already added in my important question video. So the same question is appeared in this question paper. So now let's move to the next question. That is the last question. That is uh, seventh question. Write a note on maturation. So at the 14 minutes 16 second time frame, you can see this question. This question was also added in musculoskeletal unit. There also I have added this question, and that question came in your today's question paper of applied physiology. So for applied psychology and sociology also, questions will picked from this my important question only. So for that reason, don't forget to watch that videos and also share that videos with your friends, so that even they can also pass in their exams. Okay. Okay, so now let's move to the next subject, that is applied anatomy. So this is all about the applied physiology. So now let's move to the applied anatomy. Okay, so here we go. So in applied anatomy, the first question, that is gluteal, about the gluteal muscle. You can see that question is located at the time frame of 16 minute 53 seconds of my important question video. This question is also picked from short essay only, as they mostly picked short essay questions, and converted that short essay question into long essay question. Here also you can see there is no change of the single word from the question. Same question they have picked from my important question video, and added that question in your question paper. So now let's move to the second question. That is second question, which is located at the 11 minutes 47 seconds time frame. The hard question is located in the important questions. So for circulatory important questions, here we go. So here is a list of all the important questions, as well as here in long essay part only I told that. So some questions from long essay part came in short essay. From short essay questions, they have converted them to long essay questions. So they did like this. So to make question tough, and to make a tough question paper. So now let's move to the second question. That is second question, which is located at the 11 minutes 47 seconds time frame. So now let's move to the next question, that is neurons. So the neuron question is also listed in this important question video, as you can see here. And short essay and short answers questions, I will leave on you. You can check short answers questions as came or not from my important question video by yourself. So at least you should do something right. So for that reason, I'm giving you work. If you're interested, you can check it out. So guys, this is all about the how many important questions from my video asked appeared in this today's question paper of applied anatomy and physiology. So for the next exam also, questions will come from my videos only. So for that reason, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel with the link in the description as well as in the comment box. So thanks for watching. Even the question paper will come tough, the student who watched my video won't fear, because in my video all of the important questions will be covered. So there will be no chance of missing my important questions in your question paper. 100% questions will come from my important questions video only. For next exam also, questions in your question paper of applied psychology and sociology will also come from my important questions video only. So for that reason, I will request all of the students to watch my video. So thanks for watching, and also support my channel by share my YouTube channel with your friends and in your college groups. So with the MCQs answers of this applied anatomy and psychology will be given in the comment box. You can check it out. It's so if you saw overall that the question paper was not that much tough, it was easy. Okay, good luck for your first time exams. Here we go.